Alright, welcome back people. Wagwan, how things, everything alright? You don't know, say. Oh, morning. First of all, morning, my apologies. Alright, so apparently I just read an article surrounding Peru and the Reggae Boys. Seems like there's something in the working for international friendly between Peru and Jamaica. Kind of surprised to me. I'll get into some more details surrounding that. But it's kind of surprising to me because based off of how the June window set up, really I wonder how that will go fit tonight. But big up on yourself, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're here for the first time, we'd thoroughly appreciate it if you do so. So there's quite a lot of media outlets from the Peruvian region is reporting this article. So information from the RPP Deportes, Jamaica is the main option to play with the Peruvian national team in their second friendly in June. The agreement is not yet close, but work is being done to finalize the match in the United States. So remember that we're gonna have the World Cup qualifiers. First of all, we'll have the World Cup qualifiers. So the match set up match for United States. So that kind of look like there's something can go on where that is concerned, because they already know say for where the Copa America is concerned, that's gonna be one of the ideal location. But what I'm looking at here is which day they're gonna structure that. That would have to come in between the Dominica World Cup qualifiers and the Mexico Copa America game, and so we have like roughly 10 days between. We have about 10 to 11 days between. Yeah, we have 10 to 11 days between the Dominica game and the Mexico game. So that would be the only slot. That would be the only slot I think that they could put that in, and maybe it would be good for early arrival in the USA. In my view, early arrival in the USA in my view, to face Mexico in the Copa America. Because that game they're going to play in Texas. The game they'll be playing in Texas, one versus Mexico. They're playing in Texas. So maybe that would be early arrival, and also a game set the tempo playing against the South American teams, and set the tempo to play against Mexico. You know, Mexico kind of play quite similar, the fast tempo, high tempo football. So there's a possibility that it still can work out based off of that we just initiate, but it's going to be a lot of traveling. It's going to be a lot of work. So not gonna write it off, but me just think that it looks sticky, because as they don't play Dominica, that game there is going to play in Dominica. So maybe what's more than likely going to happen is they're going to straight from Dominica and go straight to the USA, because they would be in Jamaica for the first qualifiers versus Damrep. So them from June 6th they're in Jamaica. See, the June month I get way more busy now. So then now they not play Dominica on the 9th. Then now right after the game, maybe on the 10th, lift clutch, head straight to USA. Maybe sometime in the region of the 16, 15, maybe to get that game there. And then now that would be good preparation, good temporizer for the Mexico game. Rather than having that long break. But I do think that the long break would have been good where coaching and just tactics and this is concerned. But maybe it's very important to get more games going for it, where the Copa America is to catch up onto the Copa America where that is concerned. But it's very, very interesting. Not right stuff, but I think it looks like something can happen. In my view, more games is the better, but you can't have too much games as well, because when you have too much games, that's going to definitely cause problems where fitness, fatigue, injuries, all that kind of something that will come in play. Will we have our best team for those games? Ideally, I'm not sure. Will that be a game where we might see more of the local players who is in camp, or if there's a camp going on, partake in that game? I'm not sure as yet. But as you can see, based off the report, it said that they are trying to finalize the details of that game if they can proceed. And maybe Jamaica really going to try to squeeze it in there, because another high-profile friendly, which is quite good for building up to the competitive nature of the Copa America. So in my view, not bad something that we'll look at. So we'll see how that one goes. Anyways, tell us what you think in the comment section. Do you think that this can go on? Do you think that this is actually a good friendly to have? Actually a good, really good team to play against as well. But and a good introduction to the Copa America. Big up yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button, and all. See you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We're out. Boom.